Kelp forests. These underwater ecosystems are completely unknown in many parts of the world. But we are trying to change that.
Welcome to the Climate Day in Germany.
On Climate Day at the zoo in Cologne, the research group MexCal drew attention to the decline of kelp forests and explained to both younger and older visitors their significance and how they can be protected and restored. External volunteers supported the campaign and transplanted kelp of a slightly different kind with children at our booth. Additionally, many colorful pictures increase the biodiversity. Almost 6,000 visitors attended the event and were able to learn about climate projects and share their ideas. We need your help too, so please reach out and join us. The team of MexCal.